Clickbank affiliate marketing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and this is going to be a short tutorial about the Clickbank and how you can utilize it for affiliate marketing. So after creating your account on Clickbank, this is where it will lead you to. After that, all you have to do is just click on this option of affiliate marketplace, and over here you will be able to find different categories, and you can select any of the category as per your niche of your social media. Like if you have a YouTube account or your Instagram is all about the self-help and you motivate people about different like motivation could be for losing the weight or doing something great in your life, so you can go with the category of self-help to find all the products related to this particular niche, as your niche will be able to build more trust on the people who are going to watch your content and consume your content. So the better your trust is on your social media, the better will be the conversions, and the more conversion you will be able to get, the more money you will be able to make using affiliate marketing on Clickbank. So how do we get the link in order to promote it on our social media? Suppose your niche is self-help, so you just simply select your particular niche, and after that wait for the results to come up, and over here you will find plenty of products that you can promote on your social media. So what you have to do is just click on this option of promote, and after that you just have to type your affiliate nickname. You will be basically getting it when you create your account on Clickbank. After that, just click on this option of create hop link, and this way you would be provided with a unique link, and it is your link, and whenever someone purchases any particular product using your link, you will be getting commissions out of it. So just copy this particular link, and after that just provide this particular link on your social media. You can provide it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any other platform of your choice where you are active and where you are actually sure of that you could promote and get the conversions out of it. So this way you would be able to promote the product, and every conversion will give you some amount of money. And this is how affiliate marketing works on Clickbank. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.